Season 1 Episode 3. Classic Caillou refuses to watch SpongeBob SquarePants / teases his dad again / grounded / whooped.
Classic Caillou, do you wanna watch SpongeBob SquarePants?
No, Dad, I'm gonna tease you.
No. Classic Caillou, how dare you refuse to watch SpongeBob SquarePants and tease me again? That's it. You're grounded for 5 days, and with that, you're getting whooped when you gonna get to do.
No, please, not another whooping.
Bend down right now. Move your hands right now.
The video is ended. Thanks for watching.